Do you know? Apples are a nutritious fruit with various health benefits. Here are 7 potential benefits of consuming apples. 1. Rich in nutrients. Apples are a good source of essential nutrients, including dietary fiber, vitamin C, potassium, and various antioxidants. These nutrients contribute to overall health and well being. 2. Dietary fiber. Apples are high in soluble fiber, particularly pectin. Fiber promotes digestive health, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and can contribute to weight management by providing a feeling of fullness. 3. Heart health. The fiber and antioxidants in apples may contribute to heart health by helping to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. 4. Antioxidant properties. Apples contain antioxidants, such as flavonoids and polyphenols, which may help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. This, in turn, may contribute to a lower risk of chronic diseases. 5. Blood sugar regulation. The fiber content in apples can help regulate blood sugar levels. Additionally, some studies suggest that the polyphenols in apples may have a positive impact on insulin sensitivity. 6. Weight management. Apples are a low-calorie and satisfying snack option due to their fiber content. Including apples in a balanced diet can support weight management efforts by promoting a feeling of fullness with fewer calories. 7. Improved digestive health. The fiber in apples promotes digestive regularity and can help prevent constipation. The balance of soluble and insoluble fiber in apples contributes to a healthy digestive system.